Dear student, it is a last 6 lines of the given poems. It is the last 6 lines of the given poem, means the kite. And first of all, I will read the poem, then I will explain. I think you know more about a kite now after doing study this poem. Now lines 9 to 20, lines 19 to 20. In this poem, there are 24 lines, and I have divided it into 4 equal parts. Each part contains 6 lines. To explain simply or easily, so that student you can understand it very well. Okay, student? How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. Look, how bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. Means writer explains in these lines about a kite. If the kite is new, then it has a lot of beauty. Means it looks very beautiful and bright. It looks very beautiful and bright when it flies up in the blue sky. When it flies up in the blue sky. Okay, student? But in another negative situation, here, suppose that the sting of a kite rector to a things, on the top of the tree, on the branch of top of the tree. Have you seen a tall glass? Have you seen a tall glass? How it looks? How it looks? It looks very bad. It loses its beauty and brightness. Same way, if a kite if a kite goes high and related to the branch of the tree, means it goes into the branch of the tree, then it turns and looks like a torn glass. And in this situation, it loses its beauty and brightness both. and in this situation it loses its beauty and brightness both. Same way, just a torn cloth loses its beauty. Same way. Okay, student? And now I will read the part of explanation. The kite appears bright and beautiful in the blue sky when it is new. Means when the kite is new and it flies into the high up the sky, it maintains or it looks too beautiful and also it has brightness. Means when it flies into the sky, means what? The kite, and the kite is new and then it has beauty and brightness both in this situation. And if it caught to the branch of a tree, high top of the tree, then it torn and it looks like a torn cloth. Means in this situation kite loses its beauty and brightness both. Okay, student.